Just a bit of configuration. After you install Kodi, you'll need to navigate to apps and then navigate to Kodi. So press the down and then go across, and then using the middle, hold it down and then go down to info, and you're going to need to give it some permissions. So in terms of files and media, I've already done this now, but I think the default is either allow access to media only or don't allow, etc. You're going to go up and allow management of all files. Choose that, press allow, and then press the back. And then in terms of configuring the internet, you're going to navigate up, go across to settings, and then connect using the internet of the household, or if you have hotspotting from your phone, which is what I'm doing for the entire house, just log in and switch it on. So that is the prerequisite in relation to using Kodi.